girl, hey, it's your girl Felicia, and I'm here to do two wig reviews for you guys from Sensational's current natural girl friendly wig line, Curls, Kinks and Co. I'll be reviewing Rule Breaker, which I currently have on, as well as Boss Lady. First things first, if you haven't subscribed, please click down below and subscribe because I have many, yes, many more videos for you guys. So if you want to see how I made this wig look cute and whatnot, stay tuned. Yeah, so this was a lot of hair. So what I decided to do was to cut some hair off of random tracks. And I learned this method of thinning a large or really big curly wig from another YouTuber. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the link below. So what happened was that I felt like I had some bald spots in the back. I'm just combing out the back a little bit, cover it right up.
When you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess how often I don't know how to behave.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look for Mrs. Rule Breaker, and I have mixed feelings about her. My first time doing a wig like this that's a lace front. Usually I wear wigs like this all of the time, but they're usually half wigs, and I just blend the front of my hair and keeps it moving. So I was really excited about this wig because I really wouldn't have to worry about my hair except for my edges. But it was a bit of a fight. And I see why they named her Rule Breaker, because old girl she could put up a fight. Like every time I was like, okay, cool, you know, I really thought that this was gonna be an easy peasy. The fact of the matter is, this is a lot of hair. Point blank, period. This is a lot of hair, and you should not rush through. If you want to do a snip like I did, like cut some of the hair out, don't rush through it, because I kind of feel like I was a little heavy-handed with the scissors on this side. And then now I have a see-through wig. Peekaboo. Okay, peekaboo. You see? It's not horrible. I'm still gonna rock this wig. But I could tell that I was more heavy-handed on this side. But I got this wig from Wig Types. It was $26.79. I know that this wig has been out for some time, but I still wanted to review it to see if I could put my own little twist on it. I definitely had to kind of tuck it behind my ears to show off my face, you know, or whatever. Without it tucked behind my ears, I guess it doesn't look horrid, but I just feel like it's a lot. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. So let me see. I got some pins, and let me see if I was to kind of. This is another way to kind of calm it down from being all, ouch, up in your face. This is Rule Breaker, guys. Let me know what y'all think.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to so all my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off love, don't know how to behave.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look for Miss Boss Lady. I'm feeling like a boss. I'm feeling her, whatever. I felt like I was able to style Boss Lady pretty quickly. But you know what? I guess my head is hard because I remember another YouTube video, another YouTuber saying that this reminds her of Kanekalon hair and she wouldn't put heat to it. And I said, you know, why not try or whatever. You're gonna see in the video, I attempted to use a hot comb to lay this sucker down, and this is what happened. It burnt right off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ignore my nails. It burnt off. To God be the glory, it wasn't too bad. It burnt off on this side. So as far as shedding is concerned, I do experience some shedding to this side. When I run up my fingers through this side, nothing. But this wig I also got from wigtypes.com, and it was also $26.79, and it was also in the color F1B/30. This is the stock card, and this is how hers looks. I think that she probably really combed hers out with a comb, the model. I just took my fingers through it. I wouldn't mind making it bigger, I guess. I don't want it to be too big because I feel like a wig like this, it can age you if you don't style it right. This part is odd. They made this part short. But you know what? I guess because they were going for the layered look. I know my lace is peeking up. Mind your business, mind your business. Okay. I probably will just add black eyeshadow to it to conceal that this is lace showing through. But yeah, okay. I'm really feeling myself, y'all. Just in case you couldn't tell, like, I really think that this is cute. I'm gonna tell you something about both of these wigs, though. I don't believe that they're big head friendly. They're not. I don't feel like I have a big head. I feel like I have an average size head. They will make you feel like your head is big. And I don't feel like I have a big head, but it's not big head friendly. I just don't feel like it is. That being said, also, so they're lace front wigs, but once again, like I said, since it's not necessarily big head friendly, that lace isn't touching the front of your head. The lace is back here. It's not touching the front. So if you wanted to kind of treat it like a frontal and you didn't want to use your own hair at all, I can't see how you would be able to do that. Plus, my hairline is a little bit different. The way my edges are set up, they basically crip walking, just a few centimeters from my eyebrows. That's just how my edges are. That's how God made me. So oftentimes I have to do something with my edges when it comes, there's no, I try to kind of combine sometimes there was no baby hairs that came with this wig, by the way, but if there is baby hairs that comes with a wig, I try to combine it sometimes, but that's not happening with this wig. I was able to do a rule breaker with this wig. No. But other than that, I like her. And like I said, this is my first YouTube video. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. Because it is my first video, I'm sure I probably missed out on some things. So please feel free to tell me what you would like me to say. I'm more than willing to answer your questions in the comments section. Once again, feel free to subscribe. Actually, you must subscribe. You must. Because I have a lot more videos that I want to share with you guys. I have a love for wigs. I've been wearing wigs for a while now, and I say, you know what? Why not just share with you guys what I do with my wigs? Why not? Okay, so thank you, ladies. Thank you, girls, for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.